This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Electra Alexander. New flooring. New bathroom fixtures. New light fixtures. This beautifully maintained first floor unit awaits you. Call this one home now. Open floor plan, kitchen with granite bar, and pantry/utility closet. 2 spacious primary bedrooms, each with ensuite bathrooms. 1 reserved parking space located near your unit. Easy access to military bases, interstate, restaurants, shopping and more. Rent includes water, trash and sanitation. For more information, review the details below or contact Electra Alexander at 757-523-1216.